Microsoft has quietly dropped a new Windows 11 26H2 update, but this one is different. We're talking about AI tracking inside Task Manager, a major security overhaul, and even new hidden controls in your touchpad. And yes, this could completely change how your PC works. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Sudama Lab. Today we're breaking down the latest Windows 11 Insider PB build 26300.A142 that is based on Windows 11 26H2 enablement package, released to the dev channel on March 30, 2026. This is the part of upcoming 25H2 update, and it's focused on security plus AI-powered monitoring. Let's get into the biggest changes. This is probably the biggest change in the entire update. Microsoft's moving away from permanent admin access to something called just-in-time privilege access. Your system will only give admin rights when absolutely needed, not all the time. Why this matters? Stops malware from abusing admin permissions, reduces system vulnerabilities, make Windows behavior more like enterprise-grade security. Now let's come to how to enable this. Open your settings, then head over to privacy and security, then go to Windows security, then account protection, and just here you need to enable it. Once you turn it on, you'll need to restart your computer. This is where things get futuristic. If a PC has AI hardware like an NPU, Windows now lets you track AI performance live. New additions are NPU usage columns, NPU engine tracking, dedicated plus shared AI memory stats, and it gets even crazier. If your GPU has AI cores, you will now see that inside the Performance tab. This is basically turns Task Manager into an AI monitoring dashboard, so you can actually see what apps are using AI, how much AI powers they consume, and how your system handles it. Microsoft just gave your touchpad a small but very useful upgrade. You can now reset the right-click zone. Again, go to Settings, then head over to Bluetooth and Devices, and here if you're using a laptop, you will see a touchpad option. And you can choose default, small, medium, and large. Perfect if you keep misclicking or want better control. Please note, this works only possible touchpads. Now let's talk about the under the hood improvements. New isolation column. In Task Manager, you can now see which apps are running in secure container. This helps identify sandbox tabs, safer processes, potential risks. Microsoft added a new icon for Windows Protected Print mode. This tells you which printers are using secure mode printing protocols. Quick but important fixes. Braille display issues fixed, huge for accessibility users. Language book fixed. No more random English resets. Not seeing these features yet. That's because Microsoft's using a controlled feature rollout. To get them early, go to Windows Settings, and then Windows Update, and turn on this option. Get the latest updates as soon as they're available. So yeah, this update might look small, but it's actually laying the foundation for AI-powered Windows, stronger security by default, and honestly, this is just the beginning of Windows 11 25H2. If you want more deep dives like this, make sure to hit subscribe, and tell me in the comments, so would you trust AI to manage your PC performance? Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.